On Friday, December 30, 2023, a major incident involving a Boeing 737 MAX 9 shook the aviation industry. Alaska Airlines Flight 1282, en route from Seattle to Ontario, California, experienced a mid-air blowout near Boise, Idaho. A section of the fuselage, specifically a non-operational emergency exit door plug, detached at approximately 16,000 feet, causing rapid depressurization and a gaping hole in the aircraft. United Airlines said installation issues relating to door plugs would be remedied before the aircraft type would return to service. Inspections began after a section of the fuselage fell from an Alaska Airlines 737 MAX 9 on Friday. Alaska Airlines says it has since found some loose hardware on some MAX 9. The Federal Aviation Administration, which regulates air travel in the U.S., has grounded 171 planes of the same type. The industry publication Air Current reported that United found discrepant bolts on other parts on at least 5 panels that were being inspected following the accident. The U.S. Federal Aviation Administration and Boeing declined to comment. Since we began preliminary inspections on Saturday, we have found instances that appear to relate to installation issues in the door plug. For example, bolts that needed additional tightening. These findings will be remedied by our Tech Ops team to safely return the aircraft to service, United said in a statement. The door plug is a piece of fuselage with a window that fills the space where an emergency exit would be in certain configurations. It was this part of the Alaska Airlines plane which dramatically fell off mid-flight over the U.S. state of Oregon, eventually landing in a teacher's back garden. The aircraft made an emergency landing, but none of the passengers or crew were seriously injured. The plane's door plug was recovered from a teacher's backyard in Oregon and was found without the 4 bolts, the National Transportation Safety Board said on Monday night. On Monday evening, Alaska Airlines released a statement indicating that maintenance technicians had found issues when inspecting their 737 MAX 9 fleet. Initial reports from our technicians indicate some loose hardware was visible on some aircraft, the statement said. The Boeing jetliner that suffered the in-flight blowout was not being used for flights to Hawaii after a warning light that could have indicated a pressurization problem lit up on 3 different flights. Boeing and U.S. regulators gave the go-ahead on Monday for airlines to inspect grounded jets. The inspections of 171 MAX planes, mostly operated by U.S. carriers Alaska and United Airlines, may take several days, forcing the cancellation of numerous flights. Boeing said it was staying in close contact with MAX 9 operators and would help customers address any findings during inspections. We are committed to ensuring every Boeing airplane meets design specifications and the highest safety and quality standards, the planmakers said. We regret the impact this has had on our customers and their passengers. Boeing shares sank 8% on Monday as the company reckons with the aftermath of the surprising panel emergency. It was the latest setback for Boeing following a series of production delays that have hampered its recovery from a lengthy 737 MAX safety grounding in 2019. The Federal Aviation Administration ordered the temporary grounding for checks of 171 MAX 9 jets installed with a 27-kilogram panel that detached from a full Alaska Airlines flight. The Boeing CEO, Dave Calhoun, called a company-wide webcast to talk about the incident with employees and senior leadership for Tuesday. When serious accidents like this occur, it is critical for us to work transparently with our customers and regulators to understand and address the causes of the event, and to ensure they don't happen again, Calhoun wrote in a message to employees on Sunday. This is and must be the focus of our team right now.